Welcome to the channel. I'm Tony the Technician. Today we're going to be looking at a new product from Klein Tools. Here you can see the part number K33850. This is their bit holder set with carabiner. It's a 5-piece set. You get the carabiner, the 4 adapters, and an actual bit, which is going to be a Phillips number 2. It definitely got a good grip on it. It holds them very, very well, and once they're locked in, they are locked in. So I have a few different brands of these. The first one I picked up was this Hyper Tough set that I got during a holiday sale. It was like 12 bucks or something like that. Carabiner's pretty cheap, and while it's a pretty nice little all-inclusive set, I don't like this design of releasing and installing the bits. Instead of pulling back, you have to push forward on it, and then in order to insert the bit, you can't just insert the bit. You have to push it forward, and then if you don't insert it all the way, then it flops around like this. So you have to make sure it's fully seated and locked in. So definitely not my favorite design, but once again, it's a Hyper Tough product. It was $12, so you know, you can't really complain too much. But I really like what Klein Tools did here. I love the carabiner. Nice and lightweight. I'm pretty sure this is aluminum. I don't know if it states on here at all. There's just a look at the packaging. It is made in China, but I can already tell you they operate much better than my other two. The fitment on there is really nice. The other really nice thing is when you go to put your bits in here, you can simply just click them in. Very easy. And I like the fact that you pull back on this instead of pushing it forward. That's another really nice feature. They are also color coded, so you can just kind of quickly look instead of looking through your bits. You can look at the color. You know, always keep your Phillips here, your Torx on a blue one. You know, you can easily identify if what these are primarily used for are your most commonly used bits. So you would stick your most commonly used bits on here so they're always accessible. The other nice thing is if you wanted to, you can take it off and you can actually use this as a driver. It's not quite like the PB Swiss or the Vessel. The Vessel has one where it's like a little ball grip screwdriver here. This collar right here will spin, so you can't grip it by that. But if you were in a pinch, you could still use this if necessary. But the other thing that I like is the carabiner design with these kind of hooks here. And it does a pretty good job of keeping the bit adapters down at the bottom instead of just being everywhere and kind of getting tangled up. They just stay at the bottom, which is really nice. So very light duty, so it's only made for the bits. Don't try using this carabiner for anything else. Every time I look at this carabiner, all I think of is a bottle opener, but I think they did a good job on this. Now, as far as pricing, this is going to range between $20 and $22, I believe. And if you pick it up at a store, especially if you can get a military discount or catch it on sale, you can get it for a little bit cheaper. But as far as looking online, I want to say it's like $21 and some change. But definitely a big upgrade on the bit holders over some of the other brands that I've used. Plus, it's nice that they just throw in a little Phillips head number 2. But that is a look at Klein's new bit holder. Let me know your guys' thoughts. I will have this link down in the description for you guys if you guys are interested. But if you guys enjoyed today's video, please make sure to smash that thumbs up. And if you guys haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.